Hello everybody, welcome to a tutorial on technical difficulties. I'm going to show you every note of the song. So the first part, first section, let's call that section A. Let's hold the C power chord here. And it's a 5 on the D string, 3 on the A. So it goes something like this. And then you have an F sharp. Play the C again like that. Alright, so basically that's the pattern. That's the first half. I'm muting slightly with my right hand. Alright, and alright, so the whole thing again. Some more. That's the whole pattern. Let me combine them. Okay, 3, 4. One more time slower. Moving on, you have a 6-note pattern. So 7, 8, 10 on the low E, 7, 9, 10 on the A. So you can pick all of them. To be honest, I would simply do a hammer-on sometimes. And then we do the same picking pattern here. So this time you have a 7 on the A, 10 on the D. So it goes something like. And then you have the bar, the A here. Yeah. So far. One more time. Alright. You come back down here, you play 3, 5, 7 on low E, 3, 5, 7 on A. Alright. These are 16-note triplets, so that means 6 notes in one beat. Sometimes I just do hammer-ons. But you play the pattern one more time. Come back here, do the pattern again on the starting on the 7th fret of low E. And then we move the whole thing an octave up, so we play it here, 10, 12, 14, 10, 12, 14 on A and D strings. And we do the same pattern. Find that C power chord here, C, G, so 10 and 12. And coming up is 14, 15, 17, 14, 16, 17. And then you find 14 on the D and 17 on G. Alright. So again, you have to bar that A. See? Bar. Alright. And moving on, we have a string skipping arpeggio. So it's actually a D major chord. So 14, 12, 10. So you do an upstroke and then do a pull off. Downstroke on a 14, 12, 11. And more picking. So this time you have G here, 12, and then open D, and then F sharp. So it goes. Coming up, you have a wide stretch here. So this is a 17, 14, 11. Same frets on G. So this is how Paul Gilbert does it. So to be honest, I would reduce that to just 17, 14, 17, 14 on these two strings. So that would effectively make it just 16 notes. So original idea is to play 6 notes per beat, but that's too crazy when you're standing up. So sometimes I'm not too confident doing that in a live situation. I would just reduce that to Sorry, so that was 1714 again. All right, so that's how I would do it. And at the end of section 8, we have a long picking lick. So basically all 3 notes per string, so 15, 17, 19 on the B, same frets on top E. Move up 1 fret, 20, 19, 17, 20, 19, 17 on the B, alright? All alternate picking on the right hand. You gotta play with the light touch. Alright. And next pattern, so we have first grip, second grip, and moving on. This guy is 19, 17, 16. Next pattern. So this is 19, 17, 16 on both G and D. And then starting on D. I'm ending on C note here, so it was 19, 17, 16, 19, 17, 15. Moving on. And that was 17, 15, sorry, 19, 17, 15, 17, and then you move down 1 fret to 14, 15, 17, 14, 15, 17, and then you shift 2 frets up. So let me do that whole thing slow. So I suspect that I'm actually off, and give me a minute to tune up. Oh, actually, I may have a small intonation problem. No, my A string is actually off. All right, sorry about that. All right. Okay. So E string is slightly off too. One more time. I do have a slight intonation problem. I have to fix that later on. Anyway, so that's the first section. All right, moving on into section B. So after that, you played that section twice, by the way. So definitely check out the original soundtrack and in my cover as well later on. So section B goes something like this. So basically you have 5 and 3 here. Involving open strings, a D string, second fret, and open D, and then we move that 1 octave up. So this is 9. 9. This is 10 here. Sometimes a good pin. G note here. Alright. And you repeat that whole thing one more time. And then we do a variation on the whole thing. So basically, moving into the second part of this section, right? So that was the second fret. Move the pattern up on the A string. So far, for the second part of this section, 2, 4, 5, you play 2, 4, 5, 7 on D. You pull off the open D. All right, and you repeat that whole thing. But for the second time round, you play these notes instead. So it's 7, 9, 10, 12. So let me quickly do the second half. Alright. And you end that whole thing by playing the pentatonic here. And then G note here. Power chord A power chord, E power chord. So I'm playing the A here as well. One more time. And then you go into this section. So, and the next section goes something like this. All right. So basically, you hit a power chord here. That's the pattern. Slightly faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you go to G, do the same pattern. Maybe slower this time. D. All right. So in theory, you can just play that twice. All right. But for the second time round, usually you would see Paul Gilbert do something like this if he plays a solo. So basically, these are tapped harmonics. So you slide in the E on the 9th fret on the G, and then you tap 12 frets up. You have to hit the fret though. And make sure you don't hit too hard, otherwise it gets sticky. It's kind of like you can imagine a ping pong ball bouncing off the surface. You know, and the next one is a you can bend from F sharp to G, so 11 fret, and then 12 frets up, 23. All right. So G, so 12 frets. You bend that up. All right. Finally, we have a C. Sorry, so I bend a C note here, and then he does a bend here instead of doing the tap harmonic, and then you play the C chord again. And then the next section would be the solo. All right, so this would be the first half of the technical difficulties tutorial, so I would see you in the second part.